Hey everybody, here's a small little instruction on how to take cash that's been deposited to your Cash App and move it over to Bitcoin, or you can purchase Bitcoin with it basically. If you look at the bottom of my screen, I have a $5 there, okay? So if I put my finger, I'm on my phone, and click on the $5 in the bottom corner, I go to this page here. Okay, and this of course tells me we've got $5 available. Well, a lot of people think you just push the Bitcoin button there and you can do something there. But that is not where you want to go. So look at the bottom where the little squiggly line there that's talking about the charts, the graph, if you would, how the rise and fall of Bitcoin would be. It's in between the dollar symbol and what looks like a clock on the corner. So we're going to mash that little squiggly line, and it brings us here to where it says investing. And investing, usually it shows up with something like this, stocks, but you can also click on the button that says Bitcoin. It was already there because I'd already clicked on it previously. Okay. So now if you go down, you got a buy or sell button here, and obviously there's nothing there, so there's nothing for me to sell. So the only option I have here is a Bitcoin buy. So I'm going to click on the blue buy button there, and it's asking me $1, $10, 20. But if I want to put in a certain amount, and I've got $5 in there, you see it's not on that. So let's say if I want to click on those three dots. Okay, so let's go back there again. All right, so make sure we got it right. Those three dots that right hand bottom corner right next to the $100 there. Click on those three dots and you can put in any amount you want. I'm going to put in $5 because that's what I have available in my Bitcoin here, in my Cash App, excuse me. And I'll hit this next button. Now what it's going to ask me is a funding source. If you see right here, automatically it goes to funding source would be Cash App. The remaining would go to my bank where my card is attached to, so that will be $1. Basically, there is a transaction fee, and that's where the additional dollar comes into play here for me. So it's going to be $5.28 is what I'll be spending. 28 cents is in fees. So I guess, anyways, I'm moving it over. Let's just see what happens. So click on confirm. It's going to take a few moments here. And it says I just purchased some Bitcoin. So click on the done button. And now I have $4.99 in Bitcoin, which is okay. All right. So there I go. And that's how you move it over. And if you go back and hit the cash symbol, you see I have no money now in my bottom left-hand corner. There's no more money there because my money went over to buy the Bitcoin. Now it says I have 72 cents available, and that's probably okay. So that's what's left over out of the transaction, which is the 28 cents if we look at it that way. So really it didn't cost anything coming from my bank. It just took the 28 cents charge for doing the transaction. I hope that helps you out. Have a great day. And we're going to end the recording now.